Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Glass Electric Tea Kettle. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Elite Gourmet Electric Glass Kettle. This sturdy electric kettle with an elegant, blue LED illuminated interior is here to make your life easier and add a touch of modern luxury to your countertop. Number 4. Aigostar Glass Electric Tea Kettle. Made from high-quality glass which is durable and stain-resistant. All the places in contact with water health class material. With 1.7-liter large capacity and 1100 watt power, the kettle heats up and boils rapidly in few minutes up, saving you time when making a cup of hot tea or brewed coffee. Number 3. Topwit Electric Kettle Glass. You can easy to boil hot water for tea, coffee, oatmeal. A removable tea infuser, as a bonus, could help to effectively separate your tea or tea bag in the heat-resisting, borosilicate glass kettle. You can decide the brewing time to meet your favor. Number 2. Viante Glass Electric Tea Kettle. This 1500W kettle boils much faster than most electric kettles of lesser power. Great to boil water quickly to make coffee, tea, oatmeal, pasta and much more. Much quicker than your microwave, stovetop kettle, etc. The body of the kettle is made of BPA-free materials. Number 1. BREW Cordless Glass Electric Kettle. Durable borosilicate glass. Provides thermal, shock protection and a pure, clean taste. Perforated stainless steel. Filter strains water while you pour and is removable for easy cleaning. Illuminated LED power switch lights up when kettle is on and automatically turns off when water has reached. A rolling boil lid opens slowly to control the release of steam and prevent hot water splatter.